Welcome back guys to the channel. Today I will be bike checking my brother's custom built Commencal Meta SX 2015. So my brother's Commencal Meta SX is a size medium with color combination of black and red, and it is year 2015. So at the front, we have the Rockshox Yari non-boost 160mm travel. For the group set, we have the Shimano SLX 1x12 speed. So the front chainring has a 32 teeth, while at the back it has the 10 to 51 teeth. Since this bike is a non-boost frame, the hubs is an SLX Microspline with a non-boost hub. The brake set included is an SLX quad piston caliper paired with 180mm rotors front and back. For the rims, we have the Spank Oozy trail, both front and rear. For the tires, at the front, we have the Maxxis Minion DHF with DH casing 2.5 by 27.5. At the rear, we have the Maxxis Minion DHR DH casing 2.4 by 27.5. For the seat post, we have the Rockshox Reverb Stealth 125mm travel paired with Funn Adlib saddle. For the cockpit, we have the Sixpack 780mm wide handlebars paired with the Sixpack stem 30mm length and 35mm diameter with a Yari grips. For the pedals, my brother chose the Shimano DX with SPDs. So there you have it, my brother's Commencal Meta SX 2015.